welcome to Maine Hunters TV. This is our first day out of a whole week. I'm here with my father-in-law. It's really windy out, and we kind of ran in here, got into camp, and he's been seeing bears all week, every day, daily, so hopefully it turns out good. Stay with us.
Well, as you guys all saw, that was my daughter-in-law. Cameron couldn't take the week off, so she decided to take the week off and come hunting with me. And I said, if you want to come with me, I'll film you the whole week until you shoot your first bear. We've been getting a lot of bears on this site daily. It doesn't matter if it's 8 o'clock or 9, 1 o'clock in the afternoon. We bumped them off coming to the bait. So I figured I'd take her in this bait, try to stay here all week. There's a couple of bears I know she would shoot, so it should be pretty good. It's a little windy. They called for it to start to die off by the evening, but it didn't matter. We ran in, we got into camp, we got dressed, took a shower, and ran in here and set all up. So stay with us. It should be a good night.
Hi guys! We're going in on our second night. The wind's not bad. We're back at the same site as we were yesterday. Hopefully we see something tonight. There's been a small bear coming in with a bigger bear coming in later. So, we'll see. These bugs are horrible pops.
Well, good morning, and that's the first time I've ever said that, bear hunting. We hunted Friday and Saturday, and it's still a good site, and I know there's going to be bears there in the evening, but not so much in the morning. They're calling for a lot of rain for the end of our first week, and so I decided to try a site that the last 2 Mondays on my trail cameras, I've had pictures between 7 o'clock in the morning to like 10 o'clock in the morning. Jackie's never shot a bear. She's never really been around bears at all. So I figured, well, since it's going to be kind of crappy by the end of the week, we might as well start hunting in the morning where it's not raining today or anything. So I'm heading off to a different bait. It should be pretty good. There's no rain, and it is 4:30 in the morning, so stick around. I'll film when we're up in the tree.
Hey guys, we're sitting in the tree stand. We're on a different site than we were Friday and Saturday. It's really wet out here. It got done raining probably about 3 o'clock. It just broke daylight where we can see the barrel. This bait's been very active, so hopefully we see something. Hi guys, we're on a different bait, the bait that we were on Monday that we tried to do a morning hunt. We checked the trail cameras, and we have a bear that came in right before legal shooting time. The other site, it didn't pan out so great, so we're gonna try this one. The sun finally broke through. It's not raining. It's supposed to rain, I think, Saturday. So today and tomorrow is supposed to be good. So hopefully we see one.
I'm finally in a stand. I had it with Jackie. I filmed with Jackie behind the camera for like 8 days. Nothing. We didn't have anything on this bait that I'm on tonight. But I know there's got to be something here because for 6 weeks we had bears every day. We're eating about 6 5-gallon pails of donuts a week, consistently. So there's got to be something. There's got to come in during shooting time. During the month of August, they were coming in. So that's why we came in here to film for that 8 days, thinking there'd be something. Got to come in during shooting time because Jackie really wanted to shoot a bear, first bear. So I haven't. It's the third Saturday of the gun season over bait, and so hopefully I can get it done tonight. I'm hoping. We looked at pictures yesterday. This morning, and they had come in right around 6:45. I've gotten until 7:15 tonight. So hopefully I can get it done for you guys. Stay with me. Well, it's September 23rd, 2017. This is my last Saturday to hunt over bait in the state of Maine. This is the same stand I've been hunting. Geez, I think we hunted this stand 12 times this year. I got 3 different bears coming in, and they've all been showing up around 9 o'clock. All week this week on pictures. It's been around 9 o'clock, 8:30. So, but it's been hot. This whole season's been hot. It's the 23rd, and it's still 88 degrees. It's 2:30 in the afternoon. I got in a little earlier than I usually do just to try to trail off. I'm hot. So, I'm hoping, like I said, I'm hoping I'm going to be able to get one tonight. They've been coming in kind of late. I don't know how to bring them in any earlier than I've done. I've changed it from donuts to cookies. I brought some more bear tracking in, and it still hasn't really brought them in any earlier. I also did something that I normally don't do. I usually hunt my whole season with a bow, and I brought my gun today. 2 years ago on this stand, on the last night, I had a bear come in that was close to 200 pounds, and he came down the ridge. He got about 50 yards and walked right by me at like 30 yards, whereas there's no way I was getting an arrow through. But I tell you what, if I can stop him in holes, I am going to shoot him with my gun. So it's like an omen. I'm trying to defeat that. So stay with me. Hopefully it gets better.
Well, folks, Tom decided not to harvest this bear this evening. He felt it was too small, and even though it was his last night, he opted to not harvest the bear. You have to give a hunter kudos for the restraint that Tom has shown. Jackie sat for 8 nights on a bear stand. Never saw a bear, only saw raccoons. That's hunting, folks. Bear hunting isn't as easy as putting bait in a barrel. It's a lot of work, a lot of patience. And in 2018, Tom and Jackie's season will just be one step better for Maine Hunters TV.